Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to enter service mode on your TCL 32V5C TV. First of all, press the gear button on your remote control to open the TV settings sidebar. Here, select Picture, navigate to Advanced Settings, then go to Brightness Settings, then select Contrast, and provide the following code using digits of your keypad: 1950. This will open the main menu of the service mode. Usually people refer to factory menu as the service mode, which is the second option on the list. By the way, you can navigate here using up and down arrow keys on your D-pad and select with the central D-pad key. Now in the factory mode, you can change some factory settings. Be very careful here, as you may accidentally cause some damage to your TV by changing something you are not meant to change in here. If you want to return to the previous menu, use the return button on your remote control. And yeah, from here you can basically get to any settings of your TV. So that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Oh, and if you want to leave this menu, either press return or home button on your remote control. So if this video helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.